Today, we're revealing 15 powerful Android hacking tools you can find on GitHub in 2026. These tools help you simulate, identify, and defend against real-world Android vulnerabilities. Use them for educational and defensive purposes only, and always with permission. Let's jump straight into the tools and see how they can level up your Android security skills. AndroRAT is an open-source tool for remotely accessing Android devices during penetration tests. It allows testers to access contacts, call logs, messages, and remotely activate the microphone or camera. Use AndroRAT only in authorized, controlled environments for ethical testing. Metasploit lets you craft custom exploits, test Android devices for vulnerabilities, and deploy payloads like reverse shells or meter-preter sessions, always on authorized devices. Its modular design allows you to combine exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules for flexible mobile testing. Use Metasploit to identify and patch vulnerabilities on Android devices before attackers do. It's also great for practicing offensive security skills on test devices. DroidSheep is a tool that shows how attackers can hijack web sessions over unsecured Wi-Fi by intercepting session cookies. With DroidSheep, it's easy to see how logging into accounts on public Wi-Fi without HTTPS can expose your data. The tool is simple to use, making it effective for demonstrating real risks in training or research. Always use HTTPS and avoid logging into sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi to protect yourself from session hijacking. zANTI is a mobile toolkit for scanning networks and simulating man-in-the-middle attacks directly from your Android device. It scans for vulnerable devices, maps networks, and performs MITM simulations. You can visualize network structures, identify weak points, and intercept traffic for testing. The interface is user-friendly, so no command line skills are needed. Test ARP spoofing, SSL stripping, and other attacks, all from your phone. Only use zANTI on networks you own or have permission to test. HackCode is an Android app that bundles reconnaissance and open-source intelligence, or OSINT, tools for beginners. With HackCode, you can scan networks, gather domain information, and check for known vulnerabilities, all from your phone. Its simple interface makes it easy to use, even if you're just starting out. HackCode is ideal for students or hobbyists who want hands-on experience with basic security tools. It's a practical way to learn the basics of reconnaissance and OSINT on Android. APKTool is a must-have for Android security audits. It decompiles APK files, letting you inspect app code, resources, and manifest files. This helps you find vulnerabilities, analyze sensitive data handling, and check for insecure coding. APKTool also reconstructs resources and decodes manifest files, making it easier to review app permissions and behaviors. Use APKTool to audit apps before release and catch security issues early. It's also useful for teaching reverse engineering and app security basics. APKTool reveals hidden flaws in apps, even in popular ones. If you can decompile your app, so can attackers. Use APKTool to strengthen your defenses. Wi-Fi Kill is a tool that demonstrates ARP spoofing and how easily network traffic can be disrupted on unsecured Wi-Fi networks. With Wi-Fi Kill, you can disconnect devices from a shared Wi-Fi network, controlling who stays online. It's often used in penetration testing labs to show the risks of weak network segmentation and poor authentication. Wi-Fi Kill can easily create denial of service conditions or intercept unencrypted traffic if safeguards aren't in place. Only use Wi-Fi Kill on networks you own or have explicit permission to test. Kali NetHunter is a full-featured penetration testing platform for Android devices, packed with tools from Kali Linux. It turns your phone into a portable security lab capable of wireless attacks, network mapping, and password cracking. NetHunter runs advanced tools that usually need a desktop right on your Android. It supports custom kernel features, USB High-D attacks, and hardware integrations for advanced testing. For mobile-friendly, all-in-one penetration testing, Kali NetHunter is the top choice. Always use NetHunter on your own devices or in authorized labs. Shark for Root lets you capture and analyze network packets directly on your Android device, similar to Wireshark on desktops. You can monitor all incoming and outgoing network traffic, view HTTP requests, DNS queries, and more in real time. It's useful for debugging network issues, identifying suspicious activity, and testing app security. Penetration testers and researchers use Shark for Root to check if sensitive data is properly encrypted. Always capture only the traffic you have permission to monitor. Packet analysis is powerful. Use it responsibly. Metasploit is a powerful vulnerability scanner for Android that automates finding security gaps on networks and devices. You can scan for open ports, identify services, and run exploits directly from your phone. Its automation lets you quickly scan and report vulnerabilities without manual effort. Always scan only networks and devices you own or have permission to test. Used ethically, Metasploit is an efficient way to improve your vulnerability management skills. NetHunter Store is an open-source app store for Android security tools curated by the Kali NetHunter team. It offers trusted, community-driven penetration testing apps, all in one place. Download, update, and manage security tools safely and easily. Build your mobile security toolkit with reliable, open-source apps from the NetHunter store. EvilDroid is a tool designed to generate malicious APKs for penetration testing labs. It lets researchers embed test payloads into APK files to simulate compromised apps in a controlled environment. EvilDroid should only be used in authorized, isolated testing environments for educational purposes. DroidSheep is a professional-grade tool for assessing the security of Android applications. It's built to help penetration testers and researchers identify weaknesses in app components, such as exposed activities, insecure permissions, and unprotected content providers. With DroidSheep, you can automate the process of probing apps for vulnerabilities, making it much easier to find and fix issues before attackers do. It's especially useful for developers and QA teams who want to ensure their apps are secure before launch. In an educational context, DroidSheep is a fantastic teaching tool. It brings the principles of secure coding and app hardening to life, showing how even small oversights can lead to big risks. For defenders, it's a way to stay one step ahead of potential threats. As always, use DroidSheep only on apps and devices you're authorized to test. It's a tool for building better, safer apps, not for exploitation. Use it to make the mobile ecosystem stronger for everyone. USB Cleaver is a tool that's often used to show just how vulnerable devices can be to physical attacks. Once connected via USB, it can extract information like saved Wi-Fi passwords, browser histories, or even stored credentials from an Android device. In a penetration testing lab, USB Cleaver is used to demonstrate the importance of device encryption and physical security. For researchers, it's a practical way to understand the risks associated with lost or stolen devices. How much could an attacker really extract if they had physical access?